Hi and welcome back to Retro Renovations. As you can see, there's some metal, here's a Rover 214, and that's what we're going to be doing today. It's due for MOT next week, and we're just going to do some very basic welding repairs to the inner and outer sills. So first of all, we'll get the car up in the air and we'll get it assessed. Come join us.
Retro renovations do not go away.
So here's the Rover, and yep, we just need the rest of the sills. All right, obviously I'll give it a tap test, and it's exactly the same the other side. It's just rotted out on both ends of the sills. The back plate is fine, this plate is fine, so I'm literally just going to recap it up. So I've grinded it all off now. Let's just turn the camera. That's the outer sill plate. I've cut a square, and literally, like I say, the other metal's alright. That's just paint, surface rust. It's all good in there, it's solid. So I'm just going to make it out of two plates. Let's get going. I find that a cereal box is a perfect piece of card, and then you can make yourself a template quite easy using the card, and then just mark it around with a Sharpie, giving you what you need. I haven't filmed much of the process because this car just catches fire all the time, so my fire marshal's on guard, and small bits of water like this just to cool it down in between the welds. So yeah, I haven't filmed it because the damn thing just keeps catching fire, but I'll show you what I've done so far. I've just got to finish the end cap, and I've just got to do a repair to the wheel arch. Like I say, it's just temporary repair to get it through the MOT, and we can work on it another time. So at the moment I've just put fresh thick steel in, so he's nice and strong on the sill there, and I've come up and I've capped around to give it the same shape of the door, and now I'm just about to repair that end cap, and then I'm going to put a plate in to repair this section here. So it's nice and solid now anyway. One side done, it's ever so solid, so it definitely passed an MOT. I'm just going to wax some black preservative on it now. I guess for an MOT, that's nice and solid. Painted up, it's preserved. I'm happy with that. Now to get the battery back on, get the vehicle spun around and get on with the other side. The other side is just much easier. Now I've got most of the structure back in now. I'm just going to finish off, and there's a piece, I just got to put an extra piece of metal up against the circular. I'll show you now. So it's quite a substantial plate, it's all in, it's solid, it's ever so strong, and I've got it to come up round, and I've blended in the metal around here. That's all blended in now, but it's quite corroded here, so I'm just going to come round. I'm just going to feed a piece in across here now, and then blend it in, and job done. And that's a piece more metal in. Quite pleased with that. One solid corner. Now just to coat it. Thanks for watching. It's all ready for the MOT, so cross fingers. I'm going to pack up now, and yeah, that's at least it's got all its strength back, and my hair's falling apart now. Now pack all my tools away and catch you on the next one. See you later.